Day 10 is here. We hit a milestone, and what's better to celebrate than by channeling your inner royalty to declutter and evaluate your linen closet. Let's dive in and create a linen space worthy of a queen or a king. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. Today we're tackling those linens. Whether it's bedding, towels, or tablecloths, this space can quickly turn into a catch-all. I know for sure that mine is like an avalanche constantly. It's a mess. But don't worry, by the end of today, your linen closet will be neat and functional and visually stunning. If you're just joining us, no problem. Each day of this challenge is bite-sized and easy to follow. You don't have to follow the schedule in order. Make it your own and grab the free printable checklist from the link below to join in the fun. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Now let's get started. We're breaking today's task into 3 steps. Linen liberation, organized with elegance, seasonal switch. Step 1, linen liberation. First, clear the space. Take out all your linens. Yes, all of them. Lay them out on a bed or a clean surface so you can see what you're working with. Now evaluate each piece. Ask yourself, do I love it? Do I use this? Is it in good condition? Keep only the linens that check all those boxes. Donate or recycle anything that is worn out of date, or simply not your style anymore. Step 2, now comes the fun part, organizing. Invest in some storage solutions that make your linen closet feel elevated. Use baskets or bins to group similar items together, towels, sheets, or tablecloths. Add a label for easy identification. Fold your linens neatly. Consider using the KonMari method for a polished look, or file folding works as well. A well-organized linen closet isn't just functional, it's also a joy to look at. Step 3, seasonal switch. Finally, let's keep things seasonally appropriate. Rotate your linens based on the time of the season. Store heavy blankets and flannel sheets in the summer. Keep lighter throws and linens tucked away during the winter. This keeps your closet clutter-free and ensures you always have what you need at your fingertips. And just like that, your linen closet is transformed. You've decluttered, organized, and evaluated a space that is something truly functional and fabulous. If you completed today's mission, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite linen closet upgrade? I'd love to hear about your progress. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're ready for tomorrow's challenge. You made it to day 10 and I couldn't be prouder. Let's keep this energy going as we create a clutter-free home one day at a time. See you tomorrow in the next video for day 11. I'll see you there. Bye.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.